Hello friends, this is Dr. Rajiv Gupta from Srimati MD Patel Institute of Physical Science and Research, Anand. The course which I am teaching here it is MSc Organic Chemistry. The semester is first semester. The subject is Organic Chemistry first. Its subject code is PS01 CCHE22. The unit number is 4, which is related to aromatic substitution reactions where electrophilic and nucleophilic aromatic substitution reactions we are studying. And today I am going to talk on monosubstituted benzenes, their reactivity and orientation, means their effect on aromatic ring system. In earlier lecture I discussed its part 1. Now it is part 2 of this lecture. We studied these reactions in a last lecture, reactivity in substituents which activate or deactivate ring system or may be orthoparadiacting or metadirecting depending on the nature of that attached substituent to the aromatic ring. This thing we studied. Here we only have seen about that substituents which contains plus I effect or plus R effect, which were ring activator, means which activates ring and becomes it more feasible for aromatic electrophilic substitution, or these type of groups which contains plus I effect or plus R effect are ortho and paradiacting. So today I am going to talk on these deactivating groups which are generally meta directing. These all things we have seen in the last lecture. These all are plus I and plus R containing groups. Now comes to the electron withdrawing groups. Substituents which withdraws or accepts electrons from the rings. These type of substituents make changes in this ring. These all are shown in these points, that what these substituents do to this aromatic ring. The substituent decrease electron density inside the ring system. Okay, in this benzene ring system or aromatic ring system, these electron withdrawing groups which accept electrons from this ring system decreases electron density. So due to this decrement of electron density, less electron density is available for the incoming electrophile for the reaction. So this ring is called as deactivated ring. Okay, so due to this deactivation, the rate of reaction of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction becomes somewhat slower, even slower than pure benzene. Energy of transition state increases, okay, because due to this activation, to occur the ARSE reaction, we have to provide more energy to the reactant to attain its transition state, which finally leads to formation of less stable arenium ion. Okay, it will form less stable arenium ion because high energy required, then the formed arenium ion will be less stable or will contain higher energy compared to other benzene ring or plus I effect containing reactants. So here high amount of energy required, so this is not thermodynamically favorable reaction. We require high amount of energy, and also due to this condition the rate of reaction decreases in case of these type of substituents. Therefore the reaction rate decreases, as I said earlier. The resulting resonance forms of the arenium ion favor substitution of the second group at the meta position. See, generally these all type of electron withdrawing groups are meta directing, means incoming electrophile attacks on meta position. It does not attack on ortho or para position, or we can say that meta product will be major product and ortho para products will be minor product. So this is the position number 3. If we compare from the ipso position, that ipso position is first position, then the third position on benzene ring or aromatic ring, that is meta position. So these electron withdrawing groups are generally meta directing groups, and these are ring deactivators. So how these electron withdrawing groups deactivate aryl ring or benzene ring or aromatic ring? This happens due to inductive effect and resonance effect. The effects are same, but the effects sign is different. In case of electron donating groups, the inductive effect was plus I and resonance effect was plus R, but in case of deactivating groups, the inductive effect is minus I and resonance effect is minus R. Means here this minus sign shows that these groups withdraws electron density from benzene ring or aromatic ring. Because of higher electronegativity of these groups, we can understand this concept using the electronegativity concept. Means due to high electronegativity of the attached group or attached substituent, these show this type of effects, minus I effect and minus R effects. The atom attached to the aromatic ring will have a partial positive charge. This is the condition to make that group highly electronegative group. The attached atom means a atom which is present in that substituent or in that group which is directly attached to this aromatic ring should have a partial positive charge, because we know that an atom which has a positive character or positive charge is highly electronegative compared to its neutral or negative counterparts. So this atom which is directly attached to aromatic ring should contain partially positive charge. Due to this charge, it will show these minus I effects or minus R effects. Electron density is withdrawn inductively through sigma bonds. As we see in induction, in inductive effect, only sigma bonding electrons shifts somewhat at either side. If here these are shifting towards substituent side from ring side, so here this is called as minus I effect. So the ring is less electron rich than benzene ring. Means electron density is decreased in these type of derivative of benzene. These are the groups: aldehyde group, this ketone group, this carboxylic acid group, carboxylic acid derivatives, all this NH3 plus group means a quaternary ammonium salt type group, this Nr3 plus CF3, this trifluoromethyl group. It contains 3 fluorine atoms which are highly electronegative. So this complete group work as electron withdrawing group, where this carbon atom will have partially positive charge and this carbon atom will be directly attached to benzene ring, this cyanide group, nitro group, sulfonic acid group, etc. So these all the groups show minus I minus R effects, as we see in the next slides, and these all the groups are ring deactivator and generally meta directing. Okay, now see the example of nitro group. This nitro group is meta directing group. Due to meta attack, the formed Rhenium ion will be more stabilized. Okay, will be more stable compared to ortho and para attack. Means obtained sigma complex by ortho and para attack will be less stable compared to meta attack rhenium ion. How? We can see that here this nitrogen atom uh, here this electrophile attacks on ortho position. This nitro group is already present on benzene ring, means the main substrate in this reaction is nitrobenzene. In this nitrobenzene, this benzene is monosubstituted, and that substitution is as for nitro group. So incoming electrophile is E here. Okay, if this electrophile E attacks on ortho position, this ortho position, that this positive charge comes on this meta position compared to this nitro group. Relative to this metro groups, this is meta position. Now it moves inside the ring for delocalization due to this conjugation. We get this resonating structure, then this third resonating structure. Okay, so we can observe these all type resonating structures in these ortho meta para attack. Okay, now see, in this resonating structure, this positive charge is present on that carbon atom which is directly attached to this nitro group. Means this is ipso position. At this ipso position, this positive charge and this positive charge present on nitrogen atom, these both positive charge are just nearby or situated very close, just nearby atoms. So this resonance structures is highly unstable or very less stable. So due to this lesser stability of this resonance structure, the overall resonance hybrid will be very less stable in case of ortho attack. Same thing we will get in case of para attack. See, in case of para attack, we get one resonating structure where the positive charge goes on to this ipso position. This, see, in all the three attacks we get total three resonating structures. Okay, 1 2 3 here. In meta attack 1 2 3, in para attack 1 2 3. So resonating structure number are same for all three cases, but the stability is different. In para attack, this one resonating structure contains this type of arrangement where both positive charge comes on this nearby very close atoms. So this is also very unstable. But in case of meta attack, we don't get this type of structure where these two positive charge containing atoms are adjacent to each other. See, no resonant structure is present in these structures where these both positive charge in the resonant structure are adjacent to each other. So the formed intermediate or sigma complex in case of meta attack is comparatively more stable than ortho and para attack. So meta attack is favorable in case of nitro group, means these electron withdrawing groups directs the incoming electrophile towards meta position. So these type of groups are meta directing groups. Okay, so these are meta directing groups. Now we compare the reaction of electrophilic substitution reaction of pure benzene and this nitrobenzene with an electrophile. We know that these nitro groups is ring deactivating group, means decreases electron density inside the ring. So this pi electron density is less available for this incoming electrophile. So this nitrobenzene substrate requires high amount of energy compared to this benzene. So we see that benzene intermediate situated at bottom side, and intermediate transition states of nitrobenzene are situated on this top side. See, the benzene will contain lowest transition state and this intermediate sigma complex, but it will contain high energy meta and orthopara. See here, orthopara uh, substituent containing intermediates are having highest energy because these are very unstable. So these are least stable, then this is more stable, which has lesser energy. This is more stable, and this is again more stable compared to these all three. So this is the energy profile diagram, which where we compare these both type of compounds, pure benzene and it is mono substituted benzene, which contains this electron withdrawing group. So orthopara attack possibility is very less in nitrobenzene because it requires high amount of energy to form these type of intermediates, which contains two adjacent positive charges on resonance hybrid. Now, how these ring systems which contain electron withdrawing groups are deactivated towards aromatic electrophilic substitution, we can represent using these resonating structures. Here the resonating structures are shown for nitrobenzene. We can draw the same type of resonating structures for benzaldehyde or other these type of functional groups. So this is the first resonating structure of nitrobenzene, where this nitrogen atom contains positive charge and this contains negative charge. Actually this nitrogen oxygen coordinate bond, but this coordinate bond is shown as a simple covalent sigma bond. So here we have to show plus charge on nitrogen and negative charge on this, and we can observe here that this nitrogen atom which is directly attached to this aromatic ring is contains positive charge. So this is a positively charged atom directly attached to this, so it pulls electron density towards outside the ring, towards itself and outside the ring. So how we will show electron movements? See here, these pi electrons of nitrogen oxygen double bond are coplanar with the pi electrons of this aromatic ring system. So these are in conjugation with each other. So this movement will be outside because the overall electron negativity is higher for this nitro group. So it pulls electrons. So it will move outside and it goes to here, this negative charge, and at this ortho position we get positive charge. Now we can further show electron movement like this, and this positive charge appears at this para position, then at again at ortho position, and finally this negative charge on oxygen atom will move at this side, and this goes to inside the ring and complete this aromaticity. That will be the final resonating structure. That is not also shown here, it is not shown here by mistake. So 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 resonating structures are possible for this nitrobenzene, and resonance hybrid is this, where we can see that this positive charge is delocalized inside the ring like this, and the electron density is lowest at these three positions, these two ortho positions and one para position. And we know that electrophile contains positive charge. The incoming electrophile which attacks on this aromatic ring contains positive charge, and we see positive repulsion, so it will not attack on ortho position or para position, because there is no effect on meta position in this type of in this hybrid. So this meta position is easily available for electrophile attack. So this nitro group actually is meta directing, because the incoming electrophile will attack on this meta position. Okay, so meta position is available for the easily available for this electrophile attack. But overall we say that the complete ring is deactivated, because this is electron withdrawing group, so it decreasing the electron density, overall electron density inside the ring. But this is decreasing electron density more on ortho and para position, but there is no effect of this directed nature on meta position. So the incoming electrophile attacks on this meta position. This is the example of benzaldehyde of aldehyde group. How we will show the movement? We know that in aldehyde or ketone groups, this carbonyl group, carbon atom contains a partial positive charge, because the electronegativity of oxygen atom is higher compared to carbon atom. We know that very well. Then these bonding electrons will be shifted somewhat towards this oxygen atom, so this carbon atom will contain somewhat positive charge, and according to definition of this electron withdrawing groups, this will work as a and deactivator for this benzene ring. And we can show the electron movements just like as for nitrobenzene, as we have shown for nitrobenzene. Due to its high electron negativity, these electrons which are in conjugation move to outside the ring like this. This goes to here, oxygen get negative charge, and this comes to here, carbon double bond carbon formation, and here we get positive charge on this ortho site. Now this is the electron movement, we get positive charge on this para position. Now it appears at ortho position, and finally so total 5 resonant structure we will see, and this is the resonance hybrid. This resonance hybrid is very similar to that of nitrobenzene, where we get positive charges on ortho and para positions, so meta position is available for electrophile attack. So aldehyde group or ketone groups or acid group or acid derivative groups, these all are meta directing groups. So electron density at the ortho and para position relative to nitro and CHO is less as compared to that of the meta position, making these positions less electrophilic. So these three positions are less electrophilic, means electrophile cannot approach these positions, it will approach towards this meta position. Now these are the examples of that electron withdrawing substituents which does not contain does not show resonance effect. These show only minus I effect. Okay, these substituents which are ring deactivator, these show only minus I effect. These cannot show minus R effect. How? That is amine derivatives, that is quaternary ammonium salt, these Pr3 plus CF3, these will exert electronic effect on benzene ring, and that electronic effect will be inductive effect only. Okay, this will not be a resonance effect, it will only an inductive effect. That inductive effect, especially minus I effect. Polarizing AR Z bond, here AR is aromatic ring, and that Z is that nitrogen, group atom, that substituent atom which is directly attached to benzene ring. Okay, because of electronegativity of Z. this Z will contain high electronegativity, because we can observe that in these substituents on this nitrogen atom, phosphor atom, the positive charge is present. So these atoms are highly electronegative in nature. So these pull out the electron density from the ring and decreases its reactivity or decreases its electron density. Okay, so these type of compounds require high amount of energy for aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions to occur. See, this is here it is shown as a minus I effect, where this complete group pulls out these sigma bonding electrons outside the ring. So overall the energy, electron density decreases in the ring. Here decreases in the ring. In this case, this carbon atom which is attached to this fluorine atom, 3 fluorine atoms, these fluorine atoms are highly electronegative in periodic table, highest electronegative. So these pulls electron density of sigma bonding electron density towards their sides, and this carbon atom becomes positively charged somewhat and becomes more electronegative compared to this complete arene ring system, and pulls out electron density outside. Okay, so these are the three we can say three directions of shifting of this sigma bonding electrons, or we can say that these are dipole moments, three different direction dipole moments due to shifting of sigma bonding electrons. And this is overall dipole moment, means overall dipole moment which is applied to this carbon carbon single bond, this carbon and this carbon single bond. Now come to the new feature of halogens. Halogens show somewhat different properties from other substituents, as we know that halogens have high electronegativity in periodic table. So these are electron withdrawing group, we can say electron withdrawing atoms or moieties. So actually halogens are electron withdrawing. So these halogens means chloro, bromo, iodo, these things, these decreases electron density inside the ring and deactivate the benzene ring. But we know that these halogen atoms contain lone pairs on it, that lone pair could be in conjugation with benzene ring system, and this lone pair could go inside the ring or may direct the incoming electrophile to where it will attach. So it have a peculiar effect, a very different type effect on aromatic nucleus or aromatic ring. Okay, so these are ortho and para directors with deactivating effect. Okay, due to high electronegativity these are deactivators, but due to presence of lone pair on halogen atom these are ortho para directors, like amino group, hydroxyl group, as we have shown earlier, the ortho para directing effect. Likewise we can show ortho para directing nature for halogens, but these are deactivating because of highly electronegative elements, therefore inductively pull electron density towards outside due to shifting of sigma bonding electrons. Okay, so these are ring deactivators due to minus I effect. Okay, due to inductive effect, that is minus I effect, which pulls electron density outwards the ring. But halogens have lone pairs of electrons, so these lone pairs can go into resonance and stabilize the sigma complex. Okay, that sigma complex which forms the addition of that electrophile, that sigma complex will be stabilized due to this resonance of these lone pairs of electrons which are present on these halogen atoms. There are two aspects to this behavior. One is orbital size containing lone pair and other is electronegativity. Here we can show that this lone pair goes to inside the ring in conjugation. Okay, it is in conjugation with these pi electrons, and we can see this type of arrangement. Here para attack is shown, electrophile is attached on this para position, and this intermediate will be stabilized by this resonance, by this lone pair involving resonance. For Cl, Br and I, there is size mismatch, the poor overlap of orbitals of 2p of carbon and 3p, 4p and 5p of Cl, Br and I respectively. It is just a comparison of size of atoms. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Iodine has the highest size because its highest most orbit is 5th orbit. Fluorine, 2p orbitals are of similar size to that of carbon 2p orbital, but F is far much electronegative, hence fluorine 2p orbital is much lower in energy than carbon. On inspection of reactivity of fluorines, it is seen that the para position is much favored over other positions, because at para position the effect of inductive effect is lowest. So in case of fluorine, means in all these halogens we see variations. So the para position is favorable in case of fluorine because it has highest electronegativity, and we know that in these halogen derivatives the fluorine atom is directly attached to benzene ring. So its inductive effect, which is minus I effect, is highest. So the preferred position in this case is para position, not ortho position. Not ortho, not meta, it is para position. But in case of chlorine, bromine, iodine, these positions could be ortho and para. Now this is the reaction is shown for this mono substituted benzene, that is fluorobenzene. Fluorobenzene nitration, it is actually a nitration reaction, a nitration HNO3 and H2SO4, which ultimately forms nitronium ion, NO2 plus ion, and this NO2 plus ion attacks on this para position. So this compound is the major compound, is the major product in case of fluorobenzene. But in case of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene or iodobenzene, we may get both type of compounds with ortho and para. Almost could be in same amount. But here it is remembered, it should be remembered that these halogen derivatives of benzene are less reactive towards aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction compared to benzene. Means pure benzene or neat benzene is more reactive towards these substitution reactions, okay, because these are ring deactivators. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, all are ring deactivators because of their high electronegativity. But these are ortho para directing because of their lone pair, presence of lone pair and conjugation of this lone pair, or involvement of this lone pair, involvement of this lone pair inside the ring, or involvement of this lone pair in the resonance to make this intermediate resonance stabilized, to make it more, to provide it more stability. This helps this lone pair helps. So these are ortho-para directing but deactivators. This is the special gas where fluorine is only para directing because its ortho position here, this ortho position, this both ortho positions are very close to this carbon fluorine portion. Okay, so these are highly less reactive, or we can say contains low electron density because of shifting of the sigma bonding electrons towards this fluorine atom due to its high electronegativity. But this inductive effect, which is minus I effect, is reducing as we move further. If we move this towards this meta positions, then it is somewhat lesser, and if we move towards this para position, it is lowest. Okay, so at this position the electron density is comparatively high. So this incoming electrophile which contains positive charge will attack on this para position, preferably in case of fluorobenzene. So this is all the description about monosubstituted aromatics, where we see the ring activators and deactivators and orthopara or meta directing groups. So this is all the description about this monosubstituted benzene reactions with electrophiles, means this is electrophilic reactions and substitution reactions of these monosubstituted benzene or monosubstituted aromatics. Thank you.